Hey, Brendan Poling here with Forest River Vibe, checking out our new 34 bunkhouse. Now, out here on the outside, like all the Vibes in our line, we have power everything. Power front tongue jack, power jacks on the sides here as well. Again, all standard items on the Vibe line. Moving back, again, standard on our products is the new MORide step. Very wide step, will fit our 30-inch doorway, which is wider than most. Aluminum, very lightweight to get up and into the coach. And you can adjust the steps if you're on uneven terrain. Again, just makes it that much easier to get up and into your coach or to load items into the coach. Now with our underbelly, we have our extended season camping package. Most brands in our segment of the market run a heated and enclosed underbelly. Well, we did you a couple things better. So heated tank pads are standard on all of our products, including this 34. And we also have thermofoil underneath to help with the installation as well with our underbelly. So a couple extra things to help you in case you get into those not so fun cold climates to help keep everything good underneath. Now moving back, again, standard on our Vibe line is the Camp Anywhere package. What this package is our full solar package. This has a 200-watt solar panel on the roof, 30-amp controller, and it even includes the battery. So if you're gonna dry camp, even just use it to where you're not hooked up to power, gives you quite a bit of juice to use those items in your camper. And then for the 34, the thing that sets us apart from some of our other models is our outside kitchen. So this outside kitchen has a spray port on it, 2 refrigerators, not just one, and a 32-inch TV with some storage. So if you're gonna tailgate, you're gonna take this thing out and just use it outdoors with family, you have plenty of options as far as cooling, storage, and viewing your entertainment. Now at the back of the new Vibe 34 bunkhouse, something brand new for this year is our new Stow and Go ladder prep with Lippert. So what that is that small retractable ladder with Lippert. It's about 39 inches. That can extend and go onto this ladder prep we have here. Just hooks right in. So if you need to get up there, do maintenance, anything like that, it is already set up to do so. Here we are in the main living area for the Vibe 34 bunkhouse. Now what makes this floor plan a little bit unique is we have a full trifold sleeper sofa on this side, and then we have more of the theater style seating on the opposing side. 50-inch TVs are standard, has the built-in sound bar. Fireplace, again, the 30-inch Furrion can heat up to about 450 square feet, again standard in this model. We do have our booth dinette here. Again, this does go down into a bed in case you need even more sleeping. And then we have our full kitchen island setup. So in the island, you have the deep stainless steel sink with the drying rack, full Furrion kitchen setup, our 12-volt refrigerator. That's just under 11 cubic feet of storage. New for this year as well in our kitchen slides, we have our new flooring. It's gotten away from the carpet, so a little bit nicer, more residential looking. And then our new pantry area. This has the motion sensor light and lots more storage for you. Now, being a bunkhouse, let's check out the bunk area. So in our 34 bunkhouse, we have the built-in wood ladder. We have our large top bunk, and then we have even more storage in here. You do have outlets. You are set up for entertainment and TVs in here. And then on the opposing side, you have even more bunks and these cubes on the bottom. So these you can either sit on or you can fold them out and basically cover most of the floor if you need even more sleeping area. Then going to the front of the coach. So bathroom, bedroom area. So our bathroom area, even though this is a bunkhouse, we still have our 30 by 36 full walk-in shower. And we have our porcelain toilets standard in, again, all of our Vibe units. And then on to the front bedroom area. Large queen bed up front. Again, this has the struts with the storage underneath. The bins can pull out if you don't want to lift it up every time. Then we have the full wardrobe on the one side. You have 12-volt chargers and 110s on each side as well to charge your phones and other things you may need. And then the way we set up that bathroom allows us to do this in the bedroom. So you have an actual bedroom closet, includes the hanger for it, motion sensor light. We try to run this in a few different floor plans. That way you have even more storage space for clothes versus just using the wardrobe. This is Brendan Poling with Forest River Vibe. Thanks for coming with me to take a tour of our new Vibe 34 bunkhouse. If you have any questions or need anything else, feel free to check out our website, www.forestriverinc.com/vibe. Thanks and happy camping.